Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Logitech Rally Barroom Kit for KPTZ, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You're probably aware that remote work is no longer just for freelancers and startups, it's now a norm in many industries. And when it comes to making those virtual meetings feel as seamless as an in-person one, the 4KPTZ video conferencing systems have become a must-have tool. But what really sets apart the players from the pack? That's exactly what we're going to explore with the Logitech Rally Barroom Kit. This system is perfect for medium to large meeting rooms where collaboration and communication are key. Whether you're working with government agencies, corporate teams, or simply want to upgrade your home office setup, the Logitech Rally Barroom Kit has got you covered. With its all-in-one design, this system integrates a 4K PTZ camera, 6 beamforming microphones, and dual room-filling speakers into one sleek enclosure. Let's dive into some of the most interesting features that make this system stand out from the competition. First up, we have the motorized pan, tilt, and 15x zoom camera. Imagine being able to capture every detail of your presentation or meeting with precision and ease. That's exactly what the 15x HD zoom brings to the table. Plus, with its 90-degree diagonal field of view, you can fit almost anyone in the frame. Another feature that caught our attention is the advanced audio pickup system. The 6 omnidirectional MEMS microphones work together to provide crystal clear sound quality, even in noisy environments. And with acoustic echo cancellation and AI-based noise suppression, you can be sure your team will hear every word you say, no matter where they are in the room. But what really sets the system apart is its use of RightSense AI technologies. These advanced algorithms ensure that your video conferencing experience is not only seamless but also visually stunning. The Right Light feature adjusts your lighting for natural skin tones, while RightSight automatically frames you in the shot, making sure everyone's visible and heard. And with Right Sound, your voice level is optimized to ensure maximum audio quality. Now, let's talk about day-to-day performance. How does this system handle real-world use cases? We've had a chance to put it through its paces, and we're excited to share our findings with you. From the seamless integration of multiple devices to the robust security features, this system is built to last. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning some potential drawbacks. In our testing, we found that the system can get a bit finicky when it comes to connecting multiple Rally mic pods, but with a little patience and experimentation, you'll be up and running in no time. So, should you consider investing in the Logitech Rally Barroom Kit for KPTZ? If you're looking for an all-in-one video conferencing solution that's easy to set up and use, this system is definitely worth exploring. Whether you're a business owner or simply want to upgrade your home office setup, the Logitech Rally Barroom Kit has everything you need to make virtual meetings feel like in-person ones. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.